welcome to KGB English Hub. In today's video, we'll practice simple and useful English sentences for daily life. Just listen, repeat, and improve your English speaking skills. Let's start with some common greetings that you can use in everyday conversations. Listen carefully and repeat after me. When you meet someone in the morning, you can say, "Good morning, how are you today?" If someone asks you this, you can respond with, "I'm doing great, thanks, and you?" This keeps the conversation friendly and engaging. When meeting someone for the first time, a polite way to introduce yourself is by saying, "Nice to meet you. What's your name?" This helps build connections. And when it's time to leave, you can say, "See you later. Have a great day." These simple phrases may seem small, but they play a big role in making your conversation sound natural and fluent. Practicing them daily will help you gain confidence in speaking English effortlessly. When you go to a restaurant or cafe, knowing how to order food and drinks politely is important. You can start by getting the server's attention with a polite phrase like, "Excuse me, can I see the menu, please?" Once you're ready to order, you can say, "I'd like a cheeseburger with fries, please." Or, "Can I get a cup of coffee with some sugar?" If you want something customized, you can ask, "Could you make it less spicy?" Or, "Can I have this without onions?" When you're done eating, you can call the waiter by saying, "Excuse me, could you bring the bill, please?" If you want to split the bill with friends, you can ask, "Can we pay separately?" Being polite is key, so always remember to say thank you when the food arrives and have a great day when you leave. The more you practice these sentences, the more natural they will feel. Shopping can be fun, but it's even better when you know the right English phrases to communicate with store employees. If you're looking for something specific, you can ask, "Excuse me, do you have this in a different size?" Or, "Do you have this in another color?" If you're shopping for clothes, you might say, "Can I try this on?" when asking to use the fitting room. When you want to know the price, simply ask, "How much does this cost?" Or, "Is there any discount on this item?" If you need help finding something, you can say, "Excuse me, where can I find the dairy section?" Or, "Can you help me find a gift for my friend?" When paying, you might hear the cashier ask, "Would you like to pay by cash or card?" And you can respond accordingly. If you are at a busy store, you can ask, "Is there a faster checkout lane?" Shopping is much easier when you can confidently ask for what you need. Talking about your daily routine is a great way to improve your English and have engaging conversations. You can start by saying, "I usually wake up at 7 a.m. and go for a morning walk." If you want to talk about work or school, you can say, "After breakfast, I leave for work at 9 a.m. Or, "I take the bus to school every morning." When discussing hobbies, try sentences like, "In the evening, I enjoy reading books and watching movies." Or, "After work, I like to go to the gym and exercise." If you want to talk about weekends, you can say, "On weekends, I spend time with my family and go out with friends." If you have a relaxing routine, you might say, "At night, I like to listen to music before going to bed." To make the conversation flow naturally, you can ask someone, "What does your daily routine look like?" Or, "How do you usually spend your weekends?" Talking about your daily routine helps you practice fluency and makes small talk easier in any situation. That's it for today's lesson. Keep practicing and use these sentences in real life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your favorite sentence below. See you in the next video.